Welcome everyone to Saudamini's kitchen, where I share the kitchen secrets from my eye. Thanks a lot for showing your love by hitting the like and subscribe button. If you've not done it till now, please hit the subscribe button. I'm super excited to show you ice steak on lobsters. This is a very special occasion dish which just does not look good but tastes amazing. To all the seafood lovers, this is a dish you must try. So let's not waste more time and let's get started with the prep. For this recipe, you will need around 2 kg of fresh lobsters. To prep the lobsters, you need to cut the legs and the tentacles and separate the tail from the head. Let's start with the ingredients for this entire recipe. We'll need chopped tomatoes, chopped onions, some cilantro chopped, and we'll need malwani masala. This is a freshly grounded spice mix. I shall be sharing the recipe soon for this one. We'll need some grated coconut and also some sliced onions. And why to forget the hero of the recipe, the lobsters. So without wasting much of our time, let's get started with the cooking. In a heavy bottom pan, take some oil and toss in the sliced onions. We aim to saute these onions till they don't soften or turn light brown. My mom has learned this dish from her fishermen friends who just don't sell her fishes but also tell her how to cook it. Over the years, she has developed this recipe and adapted it to create a malwani karwari fusion. Now that the onions have softened, let's add the sliced tomatoes. We shall saute this mixture just enough till the tomatoes get cooked. Then we add the grated coconut. Toss this mixture for another 2 to 3 minutes till all of it gets combined very well. This is the right time to add the spice mix. We'll be adding the malwani masala here. We are spice lovers, therefore we are taking 5 big heap spoons. You can completely tone it down by reducing the quantity. Mix it well and set it aside to cool down. Once you cool it into the blender, add this mixture. You can see we have not let it cool, but it's okay. Add more water to it and blend it to a fine paste. By now we know the drill. Just take the masala between the fingers so that we know it's smooth. Let's start cooking the lobsters. Into a pan, take 4 teaspoons of oil. Once the oil heats up, add the chopped onions. Here we have taken around 1 chopped onion. Saute it till it turns light brown. To it, add tomatoes. We have taken 1 tomato over here. We need to mix it and cook it well. We'll add salt at this stage, just enough for the masala, and mix it well and combine it together for a nice mixture. I have missed showing the ginger garlic paste, but we need ginger garlic paste around 1 big teaspoon for this recipe. Toss this mixture completely till all of the things get combined together. And now we add the finely blended paste or the masala. Cook this masala with the sauteed onion and tomatoes for a while, which is nothing more than a minute. This is a perfect Sunday lunch dish. So do try and let us know in the comments below how did you find it. Once the masala is nicely cooked for around 2 to 3 minutes, add the lobster pieces here. By now you know that I have already had this lobster dish. So a tip from me, just crack these shells so that you can have it very nicely and easily. Back to the recipe now. Do not waste the masala in the blender. Mix it with water and add it right now at this stage. Mix this well so that each and every piece of the lobster is well covered with the masala. At this stage, you would like to add half a cup of water. Cover it with the lid and put some water on top of this lid so that the lobsters don't stick to the base. Cook it for 10 minutes and we are nearly done. I would have loved to send you the aroma of how my kitchen is smelling right now, but technology does not allow me to do so. A tip to understand the lobsters are cooked or not is to have a look at the shell color. They turn orange. Once they turn orange, you're done with the curry. Final step, add the chopped coriander and you're ready to go. You can enjoy this with a bhakri, with knee dosa, appam or a steamed rice also. If you like our channel, please do subscribe and share it with your friends. Do let us know in the comments below what's the next recipe you would like to see.